Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Today we're taking a look at everybody's favorite Yeezy, and that is the Yeezy 500 High Tyrian. Again, before we get into the video, I am giving away this pair of Yeezy slides. That is a size 8 in the bone colorway. And if you want to enter for your chance to win this free pair, make sure you check the details down in the description below. I'll put a link there to the video where I actually give these away. That is still running, so make sure you go and do that. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I picked these up from Size and they decided to ship them to me without any box. So they just sent me a shipping bag with this box in. So it is a little bit dinged up. All right. There you go. The Yeezy 500 High Tyrian. Fresh out the box, you get a pair of secondary laces. That is just tied around on these, like that. So the name Tyrian, I believe is pronounced Tyrian, actually refers to this purple color on the top. It is more of a purplish color, not really a blue color. I don't know if that shows up too much on camera. The 500 High isn't the most popular silhouette, and this Tyrian color doesn't seem to have changed anything or anybody's mind, and I can kind of see why. The colorway isn't the problem for me. I actually quite like this color. I actually prefer this to the 500 High Slate colorway that we saw. It definitely mixes it up, and hey, this is what you guys have been asking for. You wanted a Yeezy that has contrasting colors. Maybe you didn't want it on this model, and I'll probably have to agree with you on that, but it is cool that we are getting some different options. The 500 High, I feel like, is yet to really demand a lot of hype. This is, of course, the second colorway that we have seen, and yeah, there is still sizes available on different retailers. Of course, it did sell out on adidas.com. I do like the 500 Low, or the regular Yeezy 500. I think that's a great model. It is a very bulky, very different looking sneaker. So to have a high top version, personally, is just a bit too much. Now, the materials and the color layout, I am actually a fan of. I do think it is a nice idea to have contrasting colors. I feel like if this colorway came on a regular Yeezy 500, I feel like I would really like it. The suede on it is very nice, very nappy, very premium feeling. You find that suede all around the sneaker, from the toe box wrapping around to the back. That is overlaid by this mud guard, which is in kind of this textured rubber material. And moving up to the contrasting neoprene material on this sneaker, it is separated by this tumbled leather, which you'll find in kind of like this charcoal black colorway. So again, the materials do make it look really nice and very premium. Now, the bulbous neoprene material is in that contrasting purplish, I guess we could call it Tyrian colorway. Feels very nice, almost like memory foam, just obviously a little bit more springy. This massive tongue comes in this black colorway along with the laces. And about the laces, they are probably one of my least favorite things about this sneaker. don't think my problem is the lacing system itself. It's not the infinity loop lacing system, right? I like that. It is just the way it looks on this sneaker. It's very separated and wide open. The more you tighten it up, the more this gets extended. When this just is hanging off of your foot, it looks quite weird. Of course, you do have the option to switch over to the regular lacing system, and that's fine, but you're gonna have to cut this off and never have this lacing system again. So if you wanted that option, it's not really an option. It is pretty much either or. You're not just gonna be able to throw these on. You definitely are gonna have to squeeze your foot in there, loosen this up as much as possible, because it is a tight squeeze trying to get your foot through that hole. I would go true to size, especially if you have ever tried on any of the 500 high models. It is going to fit exactly the same. I'm glad that this exists. At the end of the day, it is more options. Whoever went out and bought this because they really like it, doesn't care about the hype, shout out to you guys, because that is cool. And it's always good to just forget about what other people think and not just buy sneakers based on the hype factor. I know we all do it to some extent. It's the fact that we can all like different colors and different sneaker models that really should be celebrated in the sneaker industry. What do you guys think? Feel free to go and roast this down in the comments. I have a feeling everybody's going to be doing that anyway. What are we doing? We done here? We good? Everybody happy? Let's roll it out. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, do not forget to go and enter for that Yeezy slide giveaway. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you in the next video. And until then,